I just made this short film using nothing but AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your own step by step.
Happy birthday! Oh, thank you guys.
So let's break this down. The very first step is coming up with your story. I actually used ChatGPT to help me come up with the story. We went back and forth over the storyline and came up with a story that had mystery and suspense and a twist at the end. So once you have the story in place, you're going to need to bring the images to life for each of those scenes. So within Design AI, I used text to image. I asked ChatGPT to help me come up with prompts to use for text to image, pasted those in to the design program and created each of the images until I was happy with those. Now, sometimes some of the images would not come out exactly how I wanted them. And so then I would go into the chat editor where you have a choice of different editors like Nano Banana, Flux Context, or even Dance Pro for now. Now all the images are made. The next step is to bring those images to life with the AI image to video generators. The good thing about design is you can add sound effects at the same time as generating the video with any of the AI video models within design. So I use ChatGPT to help me come up with prompts, not just for the image to videos, but also for the sound effect prompts as well. And then I pasted them in, image to video, along with the sound effects prompts. And then we begin to see the video come to life, clip at a time. Hey, I hope this video is helpful to you. If it is, make sure to check out the AI Creator Tools community in the pinned link below this video. An incredible place where we have guest speakers and hands-on AI tutorials. Over 400 people just like yourself are digging deeper into using AI tools for video. As the clips are generating now, the next thing I wanted to do is create some music. So then again, within ChatGPT, I ask it to help me to create a clip that starts off with suspense and mystery, but then changes suddenly at one point into a more light heart and upbeat kind of music to anticipate the change in the film when the surprise comes. With the music all in place, the next thing to do is to get into CapCut. In CapCut, I begin to arrange the clips along with the sound effects that are obviously attached to those clips and the music. And this is where you really see the video starting to come to life. And that's the whole process from story to screen using just AI tools. You can create your own short film too. Let me know in the comments below what short film you will create. And if you'd like to get more hands-on with AI tools with over 400 people just like yourself, check out the AI Tools Creator Community, which is in the pinned comment below this video as well as in the description. It's a place where we have guest speakers from the AI industry, whether that be CEOs of AI tool companies or interesting people like directors, and all sorts of people come within the community, company leaders in the AI space. And it's a place where we also just answer questions around how to create, how to do those different things using AI tools. So I'd love to see you inside that community where we can get more hands-on and help you with all the little niggly bits that sometimes it's hard to get the answers to on YouTube. So if you made it this far in the video, make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll see you in this next video.